channel Angel Gabriel Tarots, and today I made this video for all the viewers who wanted to know what his or her love mate is thinking and the messages regarding your love mate, messages for your love mate. आपका जो कभी love mate जिसको आप सबसे ज़्यादा चाहते हैं उसके लिए क्या messages हैं. Let's see what is the message, and I will take out the 6 cards. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and I will make the 4 piles, and in the 4 piles you have to choose that what is the message is actually coming. 2, 3, 4, 6, and what are the messages from the angels. Let's see regarding your love mate relationship. 4, 5, 6. I'm keeping in front of you. Let's see what is the message. 3, 4, 5, 6. So, and I'm keeping these 4 Buddhas at each one of pile like this, and so I will just request you from you all who are the viewers who watch my channel, and for all the viewers especially I pray that from the angels that all the viewers who usually watch my channel, जो मेरा चैनल ज़्यादातर देखते हैं, उन viewers के लिए है ये स्पेशली आपके लव मेट के लिए क्या मैसेजेस हैं, क्या सब सोच रहा है, क्या हीलिंग हो सकती है रिलेशनशिप में, और रिलेशनशिप को कैसे बेहतर बना सकते हैं आप, how you can improve your relationship with your love mate, how can you heal, and you have to choose. Close your eyes, just concentrate on yourself. आंखें बंद करके देखिए, और जो अच्छा लग रहा हो बुद्धा आपको सबसे ज़्यादा अट्रैक्ट कर रहा हो, तो बुद्धा which one is attracting you the most, color wise या activity wise. Activity में this is the laughing Buddha, and this is the Buddha which is closing his mouth, and this is closing his eyes. This Buddha is closing his ears that we should not hear the bad things, and this Buddha is thinking. That means we should not think bad thoughts in our mind. हमें खराब नहीं सोचना चाहिए, हमें ना सुनना चाहिए खराब, ना हमें देखना चाहिए. We should not see the negative things, and we should not say any bad words for anyone. So this is the message from these 4 Buddha. Let's see what is the message and which Buddha is attracting you the most. So I will open the yellow Buddha first. I'm opening the yellow Buddha, and let's see what is the message regarding your love mate. As I have prayed, let's see. The first card is showing stay focused on yourself, and you have to concentrate and focus on your relationship. If you will not focus, then you will lose the relationship. So just focus on your relationship just now. What is needed? Focusing on the relationship. इस वक्त क्या डिमांड हो रही है रिलेशनशिप में? आपको अपने रिलेशनशिप में फोकस बहुत करना है, और आपको रिलेशनशिप में कोई बहुत बड़ी कोई बात पता चल सकती है रिलेशनशिप में. You would be able to know any very valuable thing you will be able to know in your relationship. And the second is, in relationship just maintain the beautification. खूबसूरती को रिलेशनशिप के थ्रू ही आप बना सकते हैं. बनाए रखिए खूबसूरती रिलेशनशिप में. दिस इज द मैसेज. एंड you should be just like a wise leader. You should follow your intelligence in your relationship, then only you will handle the situation in your relationship. And this is the message that blessings are showering on yourself. This is a very good card, and these piles are very positive. So just now blessing is showering on your life. बहुत सारी जो है ऊपर वाले की ब्लेसिंग्स, आशीर्वाद और ब्लेसिंग्स आ रही हैं आपके रिलेशनशिप में इस वक्त, जो कि बहुत बहुत गुड मैसेज है. इस वक्त आपको जमीनी हकीकत को लेकर के चलना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स you should believe in the reality of the relationship. You should be useful. You should use your feelings. What should be good and what should be we should avoid the bad things in the relationship. So just follow the grounding one. Just believe in the reality. And these are the messages from the angels who have chosen it. So I will keep it here separately, and I will keep it here respectively. And now the next message is from this Buddha, who this is the blue Buddha, and let's see what is the message for your love mate. The first message is, in your relationship, just follow the formula of simplification. Be simple in your life. Your love mate may attract towards you because of your simplicity. जितने साधारण रहेंगे, जितने सिंपल रहेंगे, रिश्ता जितना अच्छा बना के रखेंगे सिंपल वे में, एक साधारण सरल सहज रूप में, बस वैसे ही आप अट्रैक्ट कर पाएंगे. इसी क्वालिटी की वजह से लवमेट आपकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट होगा. और नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द मैसेज इज ओपनिंग टू अ स्पिरिचुअल सोर्स. That means you should follow your in your relationship. It is showing that there must be a spiritual type of activity should be done in your relationship. That means you should pray to the God that your relationship will be good in the future. And the next message is healing energy flows through you. आपके अंदर से ही healing हो रही है. You can solve your problem by yourself. You can analyze the things, what is good, what is bad in relationship, how my relationship will be improved in the future. जो भी healing energy है, इस वक्त आप खुद के अपने मददगार हैं. क्या अच्छा है, क्या बुरा है, ये सब आपको पता चल जाएगा. आपको पता है actually. This is the message. Next message is you are cherished by the angels. Very good message. Your relationship is very much cherished by the angels, and you are getting blessings from the angels in your relationship just now. Very, very nice messages. And the next message is enjoy the journey. Just enjoy the journey. Just now you should enjoy your relationship. आपको अपने रिलेशनशिप को इस वक्त enjoy करना चाहिए. इधर उधर की बातों में मत पड़िए. आपका रिलेशनशिप अच्छा चल रहा है ना, बस ठीक. All is possible in your relationship. Everything is possible. Just keep a positive attitude. That always keep saying to yourself that all is possible in the relationship, and there must be a possibility that you will win the heart of your love mate. Your light is shining brightly in the relationship. You will get the destination. You will win your relationship. आप अपने रिलेशनशिप में जीत हासिल करेंगे. और आपकी जो इस वक्त ऊर्जा है वो बहुत पावरफुल है रिश्ता निभाने के लिए. और ये लाइट जो है, जो भी लाइट है रिलेशनशिप में, रोशनी है, वो यहाँ पे शो कर रहा है कि चमक रही है. इट्स अ वेरी गुड मैसेज. एंड नेक्स्ट आई विल ओपन this Buddha, which is purple one. So whosoever has selected this purple Buddha, very cute Buddha, these are very cute, they are very pure Buddhas. So let's see what is the message, and I will keep it here. So the first message is who have chosen this Buddha. So first message is keep going forward in your relationship, and it is a demand of the relationship that you should keep forward, keep going forward. Just don't see back what is going on. Just keep forward and be confident that you are the positive person. आपको आगे चलते रहना चाहिए और अपना एटीट्यूड ऐसा रखिए कि आप बस आगे बढ़ते जाइए अपने रिलेशनशिप में. आगे जाके खुद ही सिचुएशन ठीक हो जाएगी. ओके. एंड द नेक्स्ट मैसेज इज दैट क्लियर द पास्ट. वट एवर पास्ट you have seen in your relationship, just allow to go away from your life and just welcome the present situation. It is very important message from the angels that you should clear the past and heal the present. And so अपने आने वाले कल की जो चिंता है वो पीछे छोड़ दीजिए, नेगेटिव चीज़ को हटाइए। प्रेजेंट जो आपके सामने होने वाला है वो उसकी परवाह आपको करनी है बहुत ज़्यादा। और अपने रिलेशनशिप में say thank you to your love mate. Don't forget to thanks to say if he or she has helped you, then please say thank you to your love mate. At least just explore your feelings towards your love mate. This will make your relationship healthy and good. अपने रिलेशनशिप में थैंक यू कहना मत भूल जाइएगा, बहुत ज़रूरी है। नहीं अगर करेंगे तो ज़िंदगी बिल्कुल एकदम आपको डल दिखेगी विदाउट लव मेट रिलेशनशिप। प्लीज़ थोड़ा सा जो है ग्रेसफुल अगर आपको चाहिए रिलेशनशिप, देन यू शुड से थैंक यू टू योर लव मेट। एटलीस्ट अगर उसने कुछ भी थोड़ा सा भी मदद किया है ना आपके लिए, तो उसको कहिए, अपनी फीलिंग्स कहिए उससे। You should explore your feelings towards your love mate. The next message is open your heart to joy. Just open your heart in front of your love mate and be joyful in your nature. अपने लव मेट के सामने देखिए, अगेन एंजल्स मैसेज कर रहे हैं जॉयफुल रहिए, अपना दिल खोल के रख दीजिए एकदम। You should open your heart. You should be the love mate should feel that yes, you are open-hearted person. And this is the message that take a break from your daily busy life. It is very necessary thing, very important, good message. You should take a break. Just go for the excursion outside somewhere where you want to spend time with your love mate. अपने love mate के साथ थोड़ा सा समय बिताइए। काम काजी जिंदगी जो बहुत बिजी हो गई है उसको थोड़ा सा ब्रेक दीजिए। And the last message is you are exactly where you need to be. बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। डोंट जस्ट कंफ्यूज इन योर रिलेशनशिप, बी देयर एट देयर प्लेस ओनली वेयर यू फील दैट yes, this relationship I will handle it at their situation only. And don't confuse your mind. What exactly you are thinking that this is right, just do it there. Whatever you think that your relationship will be healthy due to your any activity. And the last Buddha, who has chosen the last Buddha, let's see what is the message from the angels. Let's see. The first is showing overcoming obstacles. There are some obstacles may come, but you may be able to overcome all these obstacles in your relationship. Whatever obstacles are coming, you will be able to come out from that. आपके रिलेशनशिप में अगर कोई बाधा आ रही है, ऑब्स्टिकल आ रहा है, वो अपने आप हट जाएगा। वेरी वेरी नाइस मैसेज। एंड दिस इज इट इज शोइंग दैट जस्ट रिलीज द कंट्रोल in your relationship. Don't create so much of foundations in the relationship that your love mate will be pressurized so much. So just release the control and go for the excursion, go for anywhere you want with your love mate. Don't create foundation in your relationship just now. And let's see what is the next message. Any magical thing will be happen in your relationship. Any magical in a positive way. So it is very good energy or vibes. I am feeling that you will feel a magical things coming in your relationship. आपके relationship में इस वक्त जैसे ही आप अपने यहाँ ये शो हो रहा है मैसेज में कि फ्रीडम तो आप रखेंगे ही, थोड़ा सा बाउंडेशंस कम रखेंगे रिलेशनशिप में, तो आपको एक बहुत ही जादुई तरीके से मैजिकल वे में यहाँ शो कर रहा है कि आपकी लव वाइब्स जो हैं वो क्रिएट हो सकती हैं रिलेशनशिप में, जो कि बहुत अच्छा यहाँ मैसेज है। नेक्स्ट मैसेज है सक्सेस एक्सपेंड्स इन योर लाइफ and there will be a success in your relationship life, in your love mate, your love life. And the next message is get ready for new horizons. That means get ready for the new something creative things must be happen. Just get ready and welcome the new things. जो भी नई चीज़ें आपकी लाइफ में आ रही हैं रिलेशनशिप में, लवमेट कुछ आपके साथ कुछ नया करना चाहता है, रिलेशनशिप में कुछ चेंज लाइए, एकदम बोरिंग लाइफ मत करिए। This is the demand of your relationship with your love mate, that you should not make your relationship boring type but very exciteful. So and next message is that it's time for healing, connecting, mending and releasing. It is the time for healing. Actually it is a time of healing because these are the messages are coming that you should heal your relationship. It is very much needed. आपको चाहिए कि आपके रिलेशनशिप में हीलिंग हो, और यही नीड है एक्चुअली। हीलिंग मतलब कि जैसे मान लीजिए कुछ नेगेटिव चीज़ हो गई, तो एटलीस्ट यू कैन heal the relationship by your own self. So the message is very clear from the angels. Let's see, you will follow all these messages. Thank you so much for watching my video.